Ever wondered why alligators are one of the most feared creatures in the animal kingdom? These armored beasts with their fierce jaws and steely gaze are an embodiment of primal power and survival, a testament to the ancient world that once was. Welcome to the mysterious world of alligators, a realm where these reptiles reign supreme. Alligators are native to only two countries on our planet, the United States and China. In the United States, they mostly inhabit the freshwater environments of the southeastern states, such as Florida and Louisiana. Alligators play a critical role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. They are apex predators, keeping the population of certain species in check. And their digging behavior creates gator holes, which provide vital water resources for other wildlife during dry periods. Now let's share some intriguing facts about these fascinating creatures. First, did you know that the size of an alligator can give an indication of its age? Yes, indeed, alligators grow about a foot a year for the first 6 years of their life. So, a 6-foot alligator is likely around 6 years old. Fascinating, isn't it? Secondly, alligators have an impressive lifespan. In the wild, they can live up to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live beyond 70. That's quite a long time, considering the harsh realities of the wild. And let's not forget their powerful bite. Alligators have one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. Their jaws can slam shut with a force of over 2,000 pounds per square inch. That's enough to crush a small car. Lastly, alligators are known for their patience. They can sit motionless for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike their prey. This stealthy hunting technique is one of the reasons why alligators are such successful predators. So, now that you know a little about these intriguing creatures, let's dive deeper into their life cycle. What's more fascinating than the birth of an alligator? The world of alligator reproduction is indeed a captivating one. Alligator courtship is a delicate dance, a dance that culminates in a marvel of nature, egg-laying. It's a process that takes immense care, as the female alligator carefully constructs her nest, laying around 30 to 60 eggs in one go. Once laid, these eggs don't just hatch on their own. They're incubated by the warmth of decaying vegetation in the nest over a period of about 65 days. And here's a fascinating fact: the temperature of the nest plays a critical role in determining the sex of the hatchlings. Cooler temperatures tend to produce females, while warmer ones lead to males, and then, the moment of birth arrives. The mother alligator gently cracks the egg, assisting her babies into the world. From their birth, these tiny hatchlings embark on a remarkable journey of survival and growth. How does a tiny hatchling transform into a fearsome juvenile alligator? It's a fascinating journey, filled with growth, learning, and survival, that takes place in the unforgiving wilderness. When alligator eggs hatch, the young ones, known as hatchlings, emerge. Smaller than a human hand, these hatchlings are fragile and vulnerable, but they are by no means helpless. Their diet consists primarily of invertebrates, small creatures like insects, spiders, and snails. But as they grow, their diet begins to change, and they start hunting small fish and frogs. In the early stages, the mother alligator plays a crucial role in teaching the hatchlings how to hunt. She would often bring small prey to her young, allowing them to practice their hunting skills. As they grow, they gradually learn to hunt independently, mastering the art of stealth and ambush that is so characteristic of their species. However, life for these young alligators is not all about growth and learning. They also face numerous threats, and survival is their biggest challenge. Predators like large fish, birds, raccoons, and even other alligators pose a constant danger. In fact, only about 1 in 10 hatchlings make it to their first birthday. To survive, these young alligators rely on their natural instincts and camouflage. They are quick to hide at the slightest sign of danger, often disappearing under the water or into the dense undergrowth. Their color, a mix of yellow and black, helps them blend in with their surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot them. Despite these threats, the young alligators grow rapidly, often reaching 3 feet in length by the end of their first year. This growth is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, traits that have allowed alligators to survive on this planet for over 200 million years. Surviving the early years is a daunting task, but those who make it through are ready to step into their adolescent years. Their journey from hatchlings to juveniles is a testament to the remarkable survival instincts and adaptability of these fascinating creatures. The world of alligators is indeed a world of survival, growth, and constant learning. Ever wondered what teenage years look like in the life of an alligator? Picture this: A gawky, gangly creature, not quite a juvenile but not yet a fully grown adult. This is the adolescent alligator, a fascinating period of transformation and growth. Adolescence for alligators usually starts around 3 years of age and can last up until they're about 6. During this time they experience a significant growth spurt, sometimes growing up to a foot in length each year. But it's not just their size that's changing. Their hunting patterns evolve too. As they grow, their diet expands beyond insects and small fish. They start to tackle larger prey such as turtles, birds, and even smaller alligators. This is a crucial time for them to hone their hunting skills, learning to stalk, ambush, and overpower their prey. It's a survival of the fittest, a test of their strength, agility, and cunning. Adolescent alligators also start to establish their territories during this time. They can be quite territorial, often engaging in displays of dominance to protect their chosen area. This can involve a range of behaviors, from bellowing calls to physical confrontations. It's a tough world out there in the swamp, and these adolescents are learning to stake their claim. They also start to participate in what might be considered alligator socializing. They learn to communicate with other alligators using a complex system of vocalizations, body movements, and even water vibrations. It's a way for them to assert dominance, attract mates, and navigate the complex social hierarchy of the alligator world. This period of adolescence is a crucial time for these alligators. It's a period of rapid growth and learning, where they begin to understand their place in the world. They face many challenges, but each one only serves to prepare them for the trials of adulthood. As they conquer their territories and sharpen their hunting skills, they prepare for the next phase, adulthood. What makes adult alligators the undisputed rulers of the swamp? Well, it's a combination of many factors, but let's start with their sheer size and weight. Adult male alligators can grow up to 15 feet long and weigh up to a whopping 1,000 pounds. That's about the weight of a small car. Females, on the other hand, are slightly smaller, averaging about 9 feet in length. Now let's talk about their diet. Alligators are carnivorous creatures, and their primary diet includes fish, birds, and mammals that come to the water's edge. But don't be fooled into thinking they are picky eaters. They will eat anything they can get their jaws on, including other alligators. And speaking of jaws, let's discuss their incredible bite force. An adult alligator's bite force is estimated to be around 2,000 pounds per square inch. To put that into perspective, that's about the weight of a small car concentrated in a single bite. This immense power makes them one of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. Alligators also have a surprisingly long lifespan. They can live up to 50 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Over their lifetime, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem by controlling the population of certain species, thereby maintaining a balance in nature. But it's not just their physical attributes that make them kings of the swamp. It's their adaptability. Alligators are known to survive in various habitats, from marshy swamps to rivers and even small ponds. Their ability to thrive in such diverse environments makes them truly remarkable creatures. And so we find that the life of an adult alligator is marked by power, adaptability, and longevity. They are an essential part of the ecosystem, and their presence signifies a healthy environment. From tiny hatchlings to powerful adults, alligators indeed are one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Now let's summarize what we've learned about alligators. These fascinating creatures begin their lives as tiny hatchlings, embarking on a journey of survival and growth in the unforgiving swamps. They transition from vulnerable juveniles to robust adolescents, learning to navigate their environment, hunt, and avoid danger. As they mature, alligators grow into formidable predators, their size and strength unparalleled. Their incredible bite force, one of the strongest in the animal kingdom, makes them a force to be reckoned with. But they're not just powerful hunters. Alligators play a pivotal role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. They control populations of smaller prey and create gator holes, which provide habitats for other wildlife during dry seasons. But it's their resilience and adaptability that truly set them apart. These creatures can live for several decades, embodying the relentless spirit of survival. So the next time you think of alligators, remember the remarkable journey they undertake from birth to adulthood, making them the true rulers of the swamp.